Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel.
Remember, this channel is all about giving ideas on projects. Just follow the instructions given in this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and you will be welcome to our community. If you love DIY projects and unique accessories, you're in for a treat today. I'm going to show you how to turn simple fabric scraps into a stylish, custom phone case. Just take a look at this phone case. It's unique, stylish, and completely personal to my taste. No more boring store-bought cases, this one is truly one of a kind. But you might be wondering, why fabric? Why choose fabric for your phone case? Using fabric instead of plastic or printed designs has so many benefits. Unlimited design possibilities. Whether you love floral, geometric, vintage, or modern patterns, you can pick the fabric that best matches your personality. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Instead of throwing away old fabric scraps, why not upcycle them into something stylish and useful? Budget-friendly. Let's be honest, designer phone cases can be ridiculously expensive. This DIY lets you create a high-end look for a fraction of the price. Soft and comfortable grip. Fabric gives your phone a warm, soft texture, making it comfortable to hold compared to cold plastic. And the best part? It's super easy to make, and you don't need any fancy tools. So, let's get started. Gathering materials. Everything you need. Before we begin, let's go over all the materials you'll need. Having everything prepared beforehand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Materials checklist. Fabric, pick a design you love. This could be cotton, denim, linen, velvet, whatever fits your style. Scissors. A sharp pair of fabric scissors will help cut precise edges. Adhesive. You can use fabric glue, Mod Podge, spray adhesive, or even double-sided tape. Clear or old phone case. This will act as the base for your new stylish cover. Ruler and pencil, to measure and mark where to cut your fabric. Iron, helps remove wrinkles and ensures a smooth, professional-looking finish. Craft knife or X-Acto blade, useful for cutting out precise areas, like the camera hole. Pro tip, if you're using lightweight fabric, Mod Podge or fabric glue works best. If you're using thicker fabric like denim, a strong adhesive spray is recommended for a secure bond. Design inspiration. Choosing the perfect fabric. Now that we have our materials ready, let's talk about design ideas. Your phone case should match your personality and aesthetic, so here are a few fabric ideas to consider. Boho chic, floral or paisley patterns with soft pastel colors. Minimalist modern, solid colors, muted tones, or monochrome designs. Vintage vibes, polka dots, gingham, or classic lace overlays. Bold and fun, bright, vibrant colors with funky geometric prints. Textured appeal, try denim, corduroy, or velvet for a unique feel. Tip: if you love seasonal themes, you can make a Christmas-themed or summer-inspired case and switch them out throughout the year. Preparing the fabric. Getting the perfect fit. Step 1. Measure and cut. 1. Place your phone case on top of the fabric. 2. Use a pencil or fabric chalk to trace around the case. 3. Leaving about 1/2 inch, 1 centimeter, of extra fabric on all sides. This will help wrap around the edges. 4. Carefully cut along your markings with sharp fabric scissors for precise edges. Step 2. Iron the fabric. 1. Wrinkles can ruin the final look, so quickly iron your fabric on low to medium heat. 2. If your fabric is delicate, place a thin towel over it before ironing to prevent damage. Step 3. Apply adhesive. 1. If using fabric glue, spread an even layer on the back of the fabric. 2. If using spray adhesive, lightly spray both the fabric and the phone case. 3. If using Mod Podge, use a brush to apply it evenly to the case. Pro tip: avoid applying too much glue. A thin, even layer is best to prevent bubbles or wrinkles. Creating your fabric phone case. Small diamond. Step 4. Adhering the fabric. 1. Carefully place the fabric onto the case, starting from one end. 2. And pressing it down slowly to avoid bubbles. 3. Smooth it out with your hands or a ruler as you go to ensure a seamless fit. Small diamond. Step 5. Press and smooth. 1. Once the fabric is in place, press firmly to ensure a strong bond. 2. If you have wrinkles, gently smooth them out using your fingers or a flat tool. Small diamond. Step 6. Trim the edges. 1. Use scissors or a craft knife to carefully trim any excess fabric along the edges. 2. For the camera hole and buttons, use an X-Acto blade to cut precise openings. Adding extra touches, customize your case. Want to take your DIY to the next level? Here are some fun embellishments to personalize your phone case even more. Lace or ribbon accents. Add a strip of lace for a feminine, vintage look. Buttons or beads, sew or glue small embellishments for a 3D effect. Sequins or rhinestones, give your case a little sparkle. Fabric paint or stencils, add cool designs, quotes, or patterns. Tip: if you want extra durability, seal the fabric with a thin layer of Mod Podge or clear spray sealer to prevent fraying and protect against dirt and moisture. And there you have it, your very own personalized fabric phone case. Let's do a quick recap. We selected the perfect fabric to match our style. We carefully measured, cut, and prepped the fabric. We adhered it to an old or clear phone case. We added extra embellishments for a unique touch. Now it's your turn. I'd love to see what you create. So if you try this DIY, tag me or share your designs in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. See you in the next video.